Next is climatic or heat zones of the earth. As we all know, all parts of the earth do not receive equal amount of heat from the sun. So they have different climates. On the basis of above mentioned some important latitudes, the whole earth is divided into three heat zones. First is the hot or the torrid zone. You can see the hot zone or you can say the torrid zone. It lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. This area receives maximum heat and it is the hottest zone of the world. Where it lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. I'll show you. See this picture. The torrid or the hot zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. So that's why this is the hottest zone of the world. Next is the moderate or the temperate zone. The North Temperate Zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle. Now it divides according to the northern and southern hemisphere. In the north, it lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle. Here. In the northern hemisphere, the South Temperate Zone lies between the Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle here.